Hi, I'm Chrissy, Director of Product Operations at lovelyskin.com.
And I'm Kristen. I'm a licensed esthetician and a cosmetic coordinator for Dr. Schlesinger.
And boy, do we have something super exciting today. EltaMD is launching a brand new sunscreen, UV AOX Mist SPF 40.
All right, so since we've talked a little bit about the new EltaMD UV AOX Mist, I think it's finally time to unbox it.
Let's open it up.
All right, I'm excited for this. The one thing that I love is that it does spray in any angle. So for harder to reach places like your back, upside down, side to side, doesn't really matter. It'll work either way.
Let's test it.
All right. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, so goes on a little white,
Right.
but I believe when you rub it in, it becomes nice and sheer.
It's very hydrating, almost
It is
like
hydrating.
a lotion,
Yeah,
I'd say.
and I do know that it has a little bit of aloe vera, coconut, and glycerin to hydrate the skin, so I think that that's awesome. And as you can see, it's nice and sheer.
Gone.
Well, it's been so much fun being here with you today, Chrissy, and talking about the brand new EltaMD UV AOX Mist.
Available on lovelyskin.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this one. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.